What's up, y'all? It's Najee, here by Plants. Sunday morning, I'm downstairs doing some online client work, updating some meal plans, working on some form videos, feedback and such. And I just got a message from one of my online clients, and Rachel asked a very important question that I feel would be beneficial to everybody. So I figured I'd go ahead, give my feedback that I gave her, but a little bit more in depth. As I started thinking about it, all of it's off the top of the head, but it's like when more things that start coming to me, I just figured I'd just share it on video, all right? So this is what Rachel said. I'm supposed to be going on a mini vacation starting this Thursday night through Sunday. Any tips? Should I just make sure to eat healthy, plant-based, and stay in my calorie range? And I say yes, overall, that's definitely the best approach. But when you actually get on vacation, that may change. Temptation kicks in, the urge to experience new things kicks in. So there's a lot of different components that you have to keep in mind when you're dealing with an actual vacation. First off, you have to keep in mind, what's your specific goal? What's more important to you right now in this moment of time? Because this may have been a vacation that you've been planning for, let's say, 2 to 3 years. And let's say you're going to a place like Los Angeles, which may be considered like the mecca of vegan food. The variety of options that they have, the street fairs and stuff like that, that's something that you may not experience for another few years. So in that situation, it may be a wise choice, and this is the unpopular, perspective, but it may be a wise choice to just have fun and indulge in those type of foods that you won't get, on a daily basis when you're back at home. And this may be something where you're going out with other people, you're meeting other vegan friends, people you may know online through Instagram or YouTube and stuff. So it may not be a good decision to restrict yourself in that type of environment necessarily. Now you may want to not overeat, but this may be a situation where you don't want to just stick to your normal meal plan. You may want to approach it a little bit differently and then focus on hopping back on track as soon as you get back from this vacation. So that's an approach that I would suggest that you take if you're doing something like that. But let's say that you are in a situation where you're going on vacation, but you want to stay on track. You don't want to fall off. Your goal is to have fun on this vacation, but it's not food focused. The number one best way to make sure that you don't fall off with your goals for fat loss or building muscle is to pack your meals. Simple, easy. Honestly, that's the most effective way. If you have a meal plan, if you're one of our clients and you have a specific set of things to eat day in and day out, prep it, stack them up, get your little containers, and eat it while you're there. That way you know exactly what you're eating, you know what's going in your body, how many calories. You don't even have to think about it. It's on autopilot. For one, it saves you money. You're not spending money on food, which can be expensive if you're on vacation. So that's the number one most effective method, hands down. Now, let's say you're not in a situation where you can do that. Let's say you haven't planned your vacation yet, but you're looking for a destination. You're going overseas or something like that, and it would just be a hassle to bring a ton of Tupperware, and you don't want to focus on that, or you don't want to worry about doing that for your whole family. In that case, try to find an area or a country or a city that's really vegan friendly. Me and Rainy just got back from Costa Rica last month for my birthday, and we went to an area in Caicos where we stayed in an Airbnb that was literally up the street from the farmer's market. We could literally walk to the farmer's market and had a ton of vegan options. They had pretty much everything that we wanted to eat. Things that we've never tried before, at least I never tried before. Lots of fun fruits. I learned about sapadilla.
Boy, these are like brown sugar. They're so tasty.
Oh wow, what is it again?
Sapadillo, but it's
Níspero.
níspero.
Wow. There's lots of avocados and mangoes, and a lot of just really fresh produce. All these things that we just really enjoy that were just freshly grown, right there in the city. So like I said, if you're planning your vacation right now, focus on finding a place that is vegan friendly. Like they have vegan friendly stores, they have farmers markets, a lot of options that'll make it simple for you to be able to eat while you're there. There's cost effective, so you're not spending a lot of money, and you know exactly what you put into your body. So that way you can easily track those foods, and you can enter them into MyFitnessPal, and you can know how many calories you're taking in for the day while you're on vacation. That's just an effective method as well. Now let me give you another scenario. Let's say you've already planned your vacation, and let's say you're going with a family or some friends that aren't necessarily vegan. And you don't want to be the party pooper. You don't want to be the one that says, we can't go there because they don't have food for me, right? You just want to like enjoy the vibe and connect with people, have fun, and you know, that's not something that you want to focus on. What you can do also is something that we did when we were in Costa Rica. If you're going to a restaurant that's not vegan focused, you can customize your own meals.
Pintos. I saw those pintos somewhere.
Pinto beans?
Yeah. Oh, see, it's sweet plantains with sour cream. Just get no sour cream.
Most restaurants have vegan foods that aren't necessarily in a vegan meal. So we went to one spot where we had them customize our own meals based on certain items that were on the menu. So example, we put together like a burrito bowl. We had like brown rice and then black beans and the Maduros. Just a lot of things that we would normally eat that we took from certain meals that they had on the menu, and we put together into our own little dish. And not only did it taste great, but we still felt like we were getting a full experience that the restaurant provided, but it was just catered towards us, even though there wasn't a meal on their menu. So most restaurants will let you customize the meals. All you gotta do is ask. So if you're out with friends or family that aren't vegan, you can always take that route. You know, you're still getting what you want, and you're still allowing them to enjoy the restaurant that they want to go to, so everybody's happy. So that's another approach that you can take. Now, let's say you are in a situation where you're in a non-vegan country or a non-vegan city, and you're out with people that aren't vegan, and you're at a restaurant that's not vegan, and they don't have any vegan options for you, which is, you know, kind of rare, I think, but there's nothing for you, not even a salad. What you can do is simply just enjoy what's going on there. Just let them enjoy their experience. You sit there, you still, you know, talk to them, have fun, have your drinks if that's what you're doing, and then you just eat afterwards. You can go to the local grocery store or, you know, pick up some ingredients that you know that will work for you, and then you have your meals after they get through eating. So that way everybody's happy, you still able to enjoy your family, enjoy your homies, your friends, whoever you're there with, and you can still eat what you want to eat after that experience. The other thing to keep in mind, this isn't necessarily vegan focused, but this is more so like fat loss focused. A few tips that you can also take to keep you on track to not overeat is to make sure that you're taking in enough water while you're on vacation. So first thing in the morning, wake up and try to have 8 to 16 ounces, so that's 1 to 2 cups. So that way it kind of puts your body in a state where you're not feeling as hungry as you would. Because a lot of the times that we think that we're hungry, we're really not. We're just dehydrated, we're thirsty, and we need to rehydrate. We just need some H2O in our bodies, and then we're good. It's those same signals that trigger hunger are the same ones that we have when we're thirsty. So when you feel like you're hungry, when you feel like you're starving, your stomach's hurting, literally just take some time to consciously focus on drinking some water, getting hydrated, and then wait 10 to 15 minutes and see how you feel from there. Usually you'll start to realize, oh, well, I'm good, I ain't that hungry. You know, I was just a little thirsty. And then before every meal that you have when you're on vacation, drink like 8 to 16 ounces of water, and that'll keep you on point as well. That'll keep you from overeating that meal. And this is something you can implement, you know, regardless of where you're at, even if you're at home, not on vacation. This is just some good habits to get into. One, because you need water, obviously, but two, this will keep you from overeating your calories every day, right? The other thing is, if you're one of our clients, you know, we try to make sure that you understand how to use a food scale, because that's one of the most beneficial skills you can develop when it comes to fat loss and putting on muscle and understanding food, honestly, because you get a good feel for estimating and being able to guess how many calories are in what type of foods and the amounts. So a good tip for not going over your calories when you are out eating at a restaurant, one of the things that we did actually, we went to the restaurant, I was able to eyeball that I had roughly 130 grams of black beans, and then maybe 75 grams of avocado, and then 100 grams of tofu. What I would then do is overestimate the amount of grams by 30 to 40. So if it was 130 grams of black beans, I would say I hit 170 grams of black beans, and I will put that into my fitness pal. And from there, it will show me how many calories that adds up to, and I'm able to stay on point with my daily calorie target. So I know that I'm not overeating. I will always overestimate how much food is on my plate and put that in, and then from that point, I know how many calories I have for the rest of the day. And that's how you're able to prioritize your meals. That's how you're able to make sure that you're in a calorie deficit, as well as if you want to get a little bit more advanced, that's how you can then work in some cardio so you know how much you need to do in order to be able to afford yourself this fun meal while you're on vacation. So these are just some beneficial tips that I feel will be useful for the most of you who are serious about fat loss and want to take more of a strategic approach. Like I said, MyFitnessPal will be your best friend. Learning how to use a food scale before going on vacation, and that'll give you a good feel for being able to eyeball how much food you're taking in, and you can just take a much more effective approach when it comes to staying on track with your calorie target. Because at the end of the day, being in a calorie deficit is the way to lose fat. It's all about calories in versus calories out. And if you can start to understand the type of foods that contain how many calories and how to combine them for the full day, then you're in a position where you can manipulate your food choices and just make better decisions. Another thing that you can do is to try to stick with whole plant foods, because they're less processed, which means they use less oil, and then you're in a position where you can eyeball that a little bit better. So when you use black beans, you know for sure that it's 130 grams of black beans and not black beans plus tomato dish plus a bunch of other things that's been added to it. So this is if you're super serious about staying on track with your calorie goals, so you can stay in a calorie deficit for losing fat for the long term. And keep in mind, like I said, this is all off the top of the head. These are things that I'm thinking of as I was reading her question. So maybe I'll do like a more in-depth video where I'm giving like specifics, things that you should do and shouldn't do. We'll have that video soon. So if you have anything that you do when you go on vacation to stay vegan, to stay in the fat loss phase, literally please drop it down below, share with somebody, tag somebody that may find this video beneficial, somebody that got vacation coming up, maybe you got vacation coming up. I just felt like there would be a quick little piece of value that I can send to you all that I'm giving to one of my online clients. All right. So if you all need somebody in your corner, a coach that's going to help walk you through the process that you can depend on to give you valuable advice, you need help with your meal planning, structured training program that gets you towards your goals, and just the guidance and accountability to reach your fat loss goals or muscle building goals or transitioning to a vegan plant-based diet goals. Go ahead and schedule a free call with me. I'm here. This is what I do. And I love to work with you, talk with you, see how I can, help you accomplish, and get you some real results. All right. Talk to y'all later.